Rated T for teen.
Give me danger, little stranger, and I'll heal your disease. There's nothing left alive but a pair of glassy eyes. Raise my fist one more time. Come on, little danger, die a little stranger. Swear you're gonna feel my hell. Come on, little stranger, die a little stranger. Swear you're gonna feel my hell. Swear you're gonna feel my. Swear you're gonna feel my. Swear you're gonna feel my hell. Hell.
Yeah, Black Hawk 5 is now at the extraction point.
Damn it, I need a sit rep. Do you copy? Plus an explosion underground, General. Stand by, Colonel. We're running damage assessments at our end.